Hello foodies, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for the love and support. I am back with another video on how to make the most delicious chicken curry. I'll start with a half tablespoon of salt, then I will add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and 1 tablespoon of curry powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander. Then I'm going to add in cumin, which is about 1 tablespoon as well, and tandoori masala. I'll then add in yogurt and mix everything together just to make sure everything is well mixed up and marinated. I'll leave it off for 5 minutes before I put it onto the pan. This is how the consistency should be looking, and now it's time to hit the pan. I'll add in a bit of oil. Then I'm going to paste my chicken onto the pan and let it cook on one side. Once it's done, it's gonna form a nice brown color. So I'm going to let it cook for a bit, and once it's done, that's how it should be looking. I'm just gonna go ahead and add in 1 chili with some coriander and then mix it just for a few seconds, then take it out so that I can start with my onions and tomatoes. As you can see, I'm not going to wash the pan just because I want the flavor that remained onto the pan to get into the onions. Then I'm going to add in my tomatoes and a little bit of spices. I'm going to do some cinnamon, some coriander, and some salt. Once the onions and tomatoes are cooked up, I'm just going to take them out and put them into a blender and then add in some butter onto my pan and add the mixture. Once this is done, I'm finally gonna add in my chicken. Once the chicken is cooked up, I'll be adding in my coriander and a little bit of yogurt just to garnish. And that's it for today, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching.